Yo, 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 what is up, people? It's me. Today I'm playing Hotel Elephant. I'm probably just gonna. Sorry if it moves around a lot. I'm probably just gonna, do the downstairs. It's like, hold on, I'll show you once I get in here. I only have 550. I had so much more cash. That's just. That is literally just me. They did that. Seriously. Well, I'm gonna go down. This is my lucky machine. So what you do is pick 15 numbers. I just literally randomly do it. And if you want to get rid of the number, you just tap it. No, just keep spam it. See how many I get right? Oh, 1, 2, only 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna play again to try to add on to it. Let's go. Gonna go for that and that. Just that's bad luck if you do that. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo. Now, since I'm trying to get one of the biggest boats over there. What's this? Who's this? Oh, jeez. Bro, who are you? Wait. Oh, only if you have 0 cash. Oh, right. I'm not good at any of those machines. I'm going back to my lucky machine. I'm going to try to add on to it. I don't want to lose all my money, though. One time my grandma did that, and she lost all of her money. I was so sad for her. I cried my eyes out. It was depressing. Oh, 56. I know I lost money. Let's check out what this is. Oh, this game. I suck at that. No, this is not my lucky machine, but whatevs. I want to win again, seriously. Oh, I thought 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 320. We're gonna play again, though. You have to get up if you want to play again. I'm about to get $400. Just do this real quickly. Ooh. Ooh, let's go! Ooh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bro. Oh, yo! That's my stepdad. Hold on. Mommy! I just won $20,000 off my game. No, it was on a lottery machine. Now it's mine. I love this game so much. 20 freaking thousand. I'm gonna type it in the chat. 120. Oh, that's enough. Oh, here on my phone does that. Didn't chat. Oh, pause. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go spend my money because I need to go spend it. I have so much. 20,000 freaking dollars. 20,000. Woo! I want to get over there So I want to go. So to get the most classist, 2,000, 3,500. Bye. Where's my boat at? Oh, let's go. Woo. I know this was a waste, so like whatever. Let's go. I have the best. Yo, seriously, I'm such. Woo. I'm here. What's this? Oh, hello. Oh, clothes shop. Oh. Someone right there. I need some hoodies. Oh, it's only that. T-shirts. Ugh. V-neck shirts I'm not a fan of. Jeans. They were ripped. I would so wear them. These ones are all ugly. Censored. Well, that sucked. Let's wear this. Let's get 400 more cash. I like just gambling. If I could change my... Hold on a minute. My tablet's charged. So, I'll be right back, guys. Yo. Alright. I'm actually saying I'm gonna end it here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye, guys.